Hi friends, I just received my new misting system. It has a filter included, and it is great because we live in a very hot place here in Southern California, and it's in Imperial Valley. It's really hot. So we are going to install this misting system in our front patio, so our dogs are comfortable when they are outside. It has like 8 meters of the length of the system is like 8 meters, and this is the filter it comes with, so the nozzles won't get clogged with water impurities, okay? So, well, as I told you, it's about 8 meters long. Okay. That's about 26 feet, around 26 feet long, okay? So you get a misting device every other meter, maybe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 misting nozzles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 misting nozzles, and you connect it with these connectors. Well, here's another one, okay? So you can put it here. The 8th one is here, okay? So you do get 8 misting nozzles, okay? And you can put more tube if you need to get closer to the place where you're going to connect the water to, okay? So you get more connectors here if you need more connectors for different tubes, and to put the filter. So let's install it and try it. So I want to show you where I installed the misting system. You can see I use the installing accessories, and this is to show you how long it is. As you can see, this is the entrance of our home where our pets play a lot of the day. And we live in the Southern California desert, so we get up to 120, 125 Fahrenheit degrees some days in summer. Basically, from June to September, maybe over 100 Fahrenheit degrees. So our pets will love this. And of course, we ourselves when we come in or out our home. Okay, this is the connecting system. I put it here because I have the water faucet here. So let's install it and try it. As you can see, the hose connector has a main filter, metallic filter, and then comes this filter. This will help us to protect the misting points so they don't get debris, dirt, or even the hardness of the water here. Okay, so perfect. Let's see how it works. Now it's open, and I hope you see this mist, okay? It's coming out from the misting point. As you can see, you get a beautiful mist, and of course you can feel it, but it really feels refreshing here. So, well, it works great. Every misting point mist perfectly the water. Of course, you have to modulate the amount of water. You don't open the faucet fully. You open it until you feel it's okay. And you can change, you can regulate the amount of mist that you can get here. So you turn them a little bit and you get more or less mist from each point, okay? So very nice, perfect for our needs here in the Southern California desert, and for our pets and for ourselves. Thank you.